Lake Tahoe, nestled high in the Sierra Nevada mountains, is a place of extraordinary beauty, a jewel that shimmers with a different kind of magic depending on the season. In winter, the landscape is transformed into a snow-draped wonderland, while summer brings lush forests, sparkling blue waters, and endless opportunities for adventure. Exploring Lake Tahoe's seasonal metamorphosis reveals not just a change in scenery, but a complete shift in mood, activity, and experience. As winter descends, the air grows crisp and the first snowflakes settle gently on the towering pines. The lake itself remains a deep, mysterious blue, its surface often veiled in mist as cold air meets relatively warmer water. Surrounding peaks, like Mount Tahoe and the slopes of Heavenly Mountain, are blanketed in white, creating a breathtaking panorama. Skiers and snowboarders flock to world-class resorts, carving fresh tracks down powdery runs. The crunch of boots on snow, the laughter of children sledding, and the distant hum of chairlifts fill the air. Cozy lodges beckon with roaring fires and mugs of hot cocoa, inviting visitors to warm up after a day on the slopes. Winter in Lake Tahoe is not just for adrenaline seekers. The tranquility of a snow-covered forest invites peaceful exploration. Whether snowshoeing along quiet trails or gliding across frozen meadows on cross-country skis, the landscape is hushed. The only sounds the soft whisper of falling snow and the occasional call of a jay. Evenings are magical, with twinkling lights strung through lakeside towns like South Lake Tahoe and Tahoe City, where local shops and restaurants offer a festive atmosphere. Winter's chill brings people together, fostering a sense of community and celebration. Then as the days lengthen and temperatures rise, Lake Tahoe awakens to summer's embrace. Snowmelt cascades down the mountains, feeding streams and waterfalls that tumble into the lake's crystal-clear waters. The forests burst into life, with wildflowers painting the meadows in vibrant hues of purple, yellow, and red. The lake's famous clarity is on full display, inviting swimmers, kayakers, and paddleboarders to explore its tranquil coves and rocky beaches. Summer in Lake Tahoe is a season of endless possibility. Hiking and biking trails wind through forests and along ridgelines, offering panoramic views of the lake below. Boaters skim across the water, their laughter echoing over the waves. Families picnic on sandy shores, while anglers cast lines from docks and boats, hoping for a glimpse of the elusive trout that thrive in the deep, cool waters. The air is warm but never oppressive, thanks to the high elevation and gentle mountain breezes. As the sun sets, the sky explodes in color, fiery oranges and pinks reflecting off the lake's surface. Outdoor concerts, farmers markets, and art festivals fill the calendar, creating a lively, energetic atmosphere. The sense of adventure is palpable, as visitors and locals alike savor the long days and star-filled nights. Campfires crackle along the shoreline, and the scent of pine mingles with the sweet aroma of marshmallows roasting. Lake Tahoe's transformation from winter to summer is more than just a change in weather. It's a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. Each season offers its own unique charm, inviting visitors to return again and again, discovering something new with every visit. Whether wrapped in a blanket of snow or basking in golden sunshine, Lake Tahoe remains a place of wonder, where the magic of the mountains is always just within reach. Thank you for joining me on this amazing journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to keep exploring this beautiful world with me. See you on the next magical adventures.